Right, we're down with the Gosport bowmen and with the club pres. Fine fellow, also called Chris. Good name.
Good name.
Good name. Okay, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the Gosport bowmen and the inclusivity of the club.
Click subscribe for new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays.
Hi guys, right, Gosport bowmen. So it's been a big part of my life, and it's been a big part of, I think, everyone in the club's life. Archery itself is for everyone. It just is amazing. I can't really express the words on how good it is. It's no matter what, if you've got injuries. I mean, I've got a metal plate in my arm. There's a couple of guys that have problems with walking. I mean, I've seen on the internet that the people that shoot from release aids from their mouth. I mean, it's not about looking at what you can't do. It's about looking at what you can do. And yeah, I am passionate, and I generally believe it is for everyone.
Yeah, I mean, we've been coming just over a year now, you know, and so it's become a big part of our life, injuries notwithstanding. But again, I could still continue, even though I've got back injury, obviously Kev. But again, we found a position which suits him for shooting now. Changed his hand as well. And everything just to suit his personal style, but the principle stays the same. Like you say, I mean, we saw when we watched the Olympics, European Championships, World Championships, but then again we watched the Paralympics, and like you say, you see some of the archers and you're thinking, this is for everybody. School on the Isle of Wight. Yeah,
there's an archery club on the Isle of Wight. It is solely for blind archers. Do you know what? I've never seen such an amazing thing in my life. When I was first told about it, I was sort of, okay, blind doing archery, what could possibly go wrong? But yeah, they are truly really good at it. I mean, you try and get outshot by a blind person. It's quite embarrassing.
Well, to be fair, I was fairly beaten up by a blind person a couple of weeks ago, so I'm having no comment on people's abilities, because you get surprised every day. Yeah. And I think even with the archery, I mean, I've noticed with some of the people, I've become more social. You know, getting involved more and doing more things.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
You know, when we started, it was like, barely talk to you and John. Yeah. Really. Yeah. But now it's like a whole social group. Again, events. You know, Noel. You got to tell us about Noel.
Well, we're lucky, very, very lucky, that we've got an outdoor field, and it's just in the middle of nowhere. There's lots of wildlife. There's deer, there's buzzards flying over, rabbits, which we don't shoot. There's just so much going on, and it's a land trust, and they do so much work up there to look after the grounds and the field and everything that goes on there. We're just lucky to be a part of it, and well, it's just such a nice atmosphere, so chilled out and all round really good.
Yeah, I mean, we're quite regulars when we can, but again, can't go wrong having a break. bacon butter in a cup of tea. You know, where else can you go and do that? Really?
On the second trip we done 8,000 miles.
Yeah, that's not bad going.
That was a good. That was 3 months. That was a good trip. Right. Let's see what happens. Shall we?
You step over the line. That's it. Hello. How are you, madam? Oh, Harrow. Oh, sorry. We get your feet nice and square with the line. That's it. You come forward just a little bit. That's it. Right, if you put this arm up nice and straight. That's it. Nice and straight. That's it. Elbow nice and high. Draw back to the corner of your mouth. That's it. Aim at the flag. And then release. Did I come with it? Brilliant. Well done.
Yeah, it was yours. That was on me.
Perfect. Good. This next time, when you just get that hand trying to come back. If you imagine if you've got an elastic band, okay, and you cut it, you're going to go like that, aren't you? The same when you let go of the string, get your hand coming straight back. Alright?
Yeah.
Put another arrow on. Want to go first this time? That was good. Your hand came outwards to try and get that so it rolls past your fingers, comes straight back. The straighter you can get that, the straighter it will go down there. Okay. So if you come down a sec, that's it. Get these shoulders square with the target, that's it. So when you put this arm up, all you want to do, okay, that's it. String back to the corner, elbow up, string back to the corner of your mouth, finger in the corner of your mouth, that's it, then release. Good, well done.
Now the important thing, how can people join the club?
So we've got an amazing website, all done in-house as well. We keep it really up to date. It's got all of our events on there, our competitions. We're quite good at doing events. We always have something going on. If you wanted to get in touch, all the details are on the website. We always do the local have-a-goes as well, which helps with bringing people into archery. You might see the trailer being towed around, a sign written Gosport bowmen, and you can find us on Facebook.
Yeah, don't worry guys, we're going to put a link on our site as well in the description, so you can click on it, it'll take you straight through to the site. Thank you as always.
Thank you very much.
Right, I'm here with John, who was, when we started, our coach, and what we're going to talk about now is inclusivity at the club, especially with the likes of Kevin loitering around the place.
Hi, Chris. Archery is about being able to repeat processes accurately, and every archer has a challenge. Every archer has challenges, and so I think for this club and for myself as a coach, it's not about disability at all. It's about talking about what challenges you have. Yeah. And it's just maybe that someone who has perhaps a physical disability has a different set of challenges. So it's talking about what abilities you have, and then how can we enhance those abilities to make up for the challenges you've got. And we're also very fortunate to be in a modern building like this, because obviously it's got fantastic access, wheelchair access. It's got toilet facilities that are designed for people with physical disabilities. Smooth services throughout, and I think we're one of the few clubs that can shoot over 30 yards indoors.
Yeah, that's a big thing. Plus we got, as we said earlier, we've got the outdoors. And again, that's presenting no problem with people. Access, facilities up there are brilliant as well. You know, for an outdoor club.
We have the opportunity to shoot 5 times during the week.
Yeah.
At this venue, we can shoot on Wednesdays and Fridays evenings, and then up at Knoll, we can shoot on Tuesday and Thursday afternoons and evenings, and on Sunday all day.
Yeah. I mean, we're a big fan of the Sunday. Yeah.
That's probably because of the free barbecue.
We love the free barbecue. Thanks, John. I know you're a busy man.
Thank you, Chris. I better get back to helping out Kevin. You know how bad he is.
Oh, I know. He's a mere 520 at the moment.
Yeah, well, he's got a lot of challenges.
Yeah.
Thanks, John.
We're back with the Gosport bowmen, and this is Owen Jones, the club junior champion and our long-suffering shooting partner, and he's going to give us a quick spiel on how he finds the club.
So I find the club very enjoyable most nights with these two.
Nice.
The club's very nice. It's very inviting, and everyone's really friendly. There's a little bit of a competitive attitude, but overall, if you want to just shoot casually or, use it for more of a social thing, everyone's really cool with that idea.
Yeah, I mean, we come along, sometimes we score, sometimes we don't score, sometimes we are literally just having a laugh all night, and other times, serious shoot, we have a good night. I mean, we do have a little bit of a competition going between us, but we do have a good time when we're doing it.
Yeah, and I think that's one of the really important reasons why I like our club, because a lot of the clubs in the more immediate local area are quite serious and really competitive, but here it's a little bit more relaxed. Yeah,
I mean, though we joke about, when you get that good score, it's like, oh, brilliant, we do laugh, we do joke, but everybody wants people to succeed so much. I think that's the important difference.
I mean, the coaches are a massive help to everyone. It's like most of the nights, Chris and John, who interviewed earlier, they will give up their time shooting just to help everyone else get better and to practice their technique.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks, Owen. Pleasure as always.
Yeah.
And we love the hair.
Right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, any comments, stick them down below.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Leave us your comments. As usual, guys, anything you want to see or you've got something to show us, pop it in the comments section. Let's collaborate. Let's get this out there. Don't forget, ring the bell. Free the fear.